Hey guys, if you're trying to stay on top of your credit, let's compare Credit Karma and Experian to find out which is better tool for you. First, let's talk about Credit Karma. Credit Karma offers free credit score tracking and reports from TransUnion and Equifax. It's best known for its easy-to-use interface, personalized recommendations for credit cards and loans, and tools to help you improve your score. Plus, it's completely free, making it a great option for anyone just starting their credit journey. Experian, on the other hand, is a powerhouse in the credit industry. It provides your FICO score, the one most lenders use, and offers in-depth credit reports. Experian's standout features is Experian Boost, which can instantly improve your credit scores by adding payments like utilities and streaming services. It's ideal if you're focused on serious credit improvement or preparing for big financial move. So, which one is better? If you want a free user-friendly way to track and manage your credit, Credit Karma is a great choice. But if you need your FICO or FICO score and tools for boosting your credit, Experian might be worth the investment. So which one will you prefer? Do let me in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.